Hello guys, welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Julia tutorial, you will learn that how to install your plot package in Julia. Okay, so let's do it. So first you need to open the Julia software, and you can see here that it has been opened. Now type import package. For that, capital P, then a small kng, run it. Now the second command line should be pkg dot add, and then give a string capital P plots. Now run it, wait for some time, and you can see that here it is resolving the packages version. Now it is downloading. So it seems that in my system the package has been already installed. Okay, so you can try some plotting. So for that, just do it here using plots. And then you can give x data equal to range 0 to 10. You can give 100. Sign dot x, and then here's your sign. Then you can plot x comma y. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that your plot has been created using Julia. It seems that your system has been installed with plot package. So thank you.